There are two SIT ProFlame 2 remotes. You may have this one or this one. Both are the same when it comes to buttons and operations, and both have the same release panels on the back to replace the batteries. The circular button on your remote will allow you to change the functions on your fireplace depending on what it has. This could be adjusting the lights, the flame height, and the fan speed. Using the circular button at the bottom, you can see that the flame icon is indicated. You can change functions by using the circular button to switch to the fan speed, the lights if your unit has it, front or back flame if your unit has it, and other auxiliary lights. So I'm going to hit the circular button again, and you can see the flame icon is shown, and I can use the up arrows to increase the flame height and the bottom arrow to decrease the flame height. The same adjustments can be made for the other icons by using the circular button to highlight the icon needed.